Man Industries bags 550 crore rupee orders, order book swells to 4,600 crore rupees. Man Industries has shared an important business update that signals strong momentum in its order inflows. The company has received new orders worth approximately 550 crore rupees, with these projects expected to be delivered within a relatively short timeline of 6 months. Along with this, the total unexecuted order book of the company now stands at around 4,600 crore rupees, providing solid revenue visibility. To begin with, order wins of this scale are a key indicator of business health for infrastructure and manufacturing companies like Man Industries. A 550 crore rupee order inflow within a short period highlights that demand conditions remain robust and customers continue to place trust in the company's capabilities. One important aspect investors should note is the execution timeline. These new orders are expected to be completed within 6 months, which suggests faster revenue recognition compared to long gestation projects. Shorter execution cycles can improve cash flows and reduce long-term execution risk, provided the company manages operations efficiently. The unexecuted order book of approximately 4,600 crore rupees is another strong positive. An order book of this size provides earnings visibility for multiple quarters and reduces dependence on fresh order inflows in the immediate term. For investors, this translates into better predictability of revenues and operating performance. Man Industries operates in a segment where technological capability and execution strength are critical. The company's management has highlighted that these new orders reflect the trust customers have in its technological expertise and ability to deliver projects on time. This is particularly important in competitive markets, where repeat orders often come only from proven execution track records. From a broader business environment perspective, such order inflows indicate that underlying demand conditions remain healthy. Infrastructure, energy, and industrial projects continue to move forward despite market volatility, which benefits companies with established capabilities and scale. Another key factor to consider is margin impact. While order wins are positive, investors should track whether these projects are margin accretive. Rising input costs, logistics expenses, or execution delays can impact profitability. However, faster execution timelines may help in protecting margins if managed well. Working capital management will also be important. Large orders often require upfront procurement and inventory buildup. Efficient receivables management and timely milestone payments will play a key role in ensuring that cash flows remain stable during execution. For long-term investors, consistency in order inflows matters more than one-time wins. Man Industries' ability to maintain a strong order book of 4,600 crore rupees suggests sustained demand and supports long-term growth prospects. Investors may track future order announcements to assess whether this momentum continues. Market reactions to order win announcements can be mixed in the short term, depending on overall sentiment. However, fundamentally, a growing order book strengthens the company's business foundation and improves confidence in future earnings. Another positive takeaway is customer confidence. When customers continue to award large contracts, it reflects satisfaction with past performance. This often leads to repeat business and strengthens relationships, which can be a competitive advantage in bidding for future projects. From a strategic perspective, execution in the next 6 months will be crucial. Successful and timely completion of these projects could further enhance the company's reputation and potentially lead to additional orders. In conclusion, the fresh 550 crore rupee order win and the expanded unexecuted order book of 4,600 crore rupee represent a strong business update for Man Industries. These developments improve near-term revenue visibility, reinforce customer confidence, and support the company's growth outlook. While execution and margin management remain key monitorables, the overall update reflects a positive business environment for the company. As always, investors should continue to monitor execution progress, order inflow trends, and management commentary to better understand the long-term impact on financial performance.